Hey guys, today I'm highlighting two more of the Formlabs materials, the elastic and the flexible. So the elastic is a Shore 50A durometer, and it's really great for soft, flexible parts that need to bend and stretch and compress without tearing. It's really great for med device companies who need to make medical models. And it's also really great for adding keypads or buttons to things that need to be soft. And the flexible material is a rubber-like material, and it's Shore 80A durometer. So it's great for those harder flexible applications. Anything that you need to add like ergonomic features to assemblies. It's great for handles, grips, over molds. So if you've used these before in your applications and you have some tips or tricks that you want to share, that'd be great. And if you're interested in trying them, let me know. Comment below for a sample.